English class for beginners. 4.
নিজের সাথে ইংরেজি প্র্যাকটিস করো। ড্রিল আরম্ভ করার আগে এগুলো জেনে নাও। ড্রিল হচ্ছে এক্সারসাইজ, যেগুলো বারে বারে প্র্যাকটিস করতে হয়। কোয়েশ্চেন শোনার পরে ব্র্যাকেটে দেওয়া ওয়ার্ড বা ফ্রেজটা ব্যবহার করে আনসার দিতে হবে। আনসারে সাবজেক্টের প্রোনাউন ফর্ম ব্যবহার করাই ভালো।
One. Where is your mom?
She is in the kitchen.
2. Where is your dad?
He is in the office.
3. Where is the maid?
She is in the bathroom.
4. Where are the students?
They are in the classroom.
5. Where are Tom and Bob?
They are in the school.
6. Where is my umbrella?
It is on the sofa.
7. Where are my flip-flops?
They are under the chair.
8. Where is Birbhum Jilla School?
It is opposite the State Bank.
9. Where is their house?
It is in Rabindrapuri.
10. Where is his office?
It is on the 3rd floor.
11. Where are the mangoes?
They are in the fridge.
12. Where are the dirty clothes?
They are in the washing machine.
13. Where are your books?
They are in my bag.
14. Where is our maternal uncle's house?
It is in Deoghar.
15. Where is district library?
It is beside Lee's Club.
16. What book is it?
It is an English grammar book.
17. What grammar book is it?
It is Practical English Uses by Michael Swan.
18. What dictionary is it?
It is an Oxford dictionary.
19. What magazine is it?
It is Wisdom.
20. What newspaper is it?
It is The Statesman.
21. What pen is it?
It is a whiteboard marker pen.
22. What medicine is it?
It is an Ayurvedic cough syrup.
23. What flower is it? It is daffodil. 24. What curry is it?
It is soybean curry.
25. What meat is it?
It is duck meat.
26. What animal are these?
These are armadillos.
27. What tree are these?
These are oak trees.
28. What shirt are these?
These are 100% cotton shirts.
29. What fruit are these?
These are cherries.
30. What egg are these?
These are duck eggs.
by Arpan Das.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends.